In order to create a math short answer question, first create or open your assessments in Schoology and click the Questions tab. Add a math short answer question to create an open-ended question that may require students to use mathematical symbols in their response. Click inside the question setup box. Type or paste your math question inside the question setup box. Use the Add Math icon to enter a math equation into the question setup field. Notice there are 3 examples using that icon shown inside my sample question. Use the Symbols drop-down box to choose which symbols you would like to use while creating your math equation. Click the numbers and symbols as needed to create your math equation. Click the OK button to insert your math equation into the question setup field. You can enable or disable rich text options in the Text Formatting Options for Students area. Notice the default options are bold, italics, underline, and bulleted list. If you need to add additional options, you can click the plus option button. If you need to remove options, you can click the X to the right of each option to remove it. Enable students access to the mathematical keyboards in the Symbols area. If you need to add additional math keyboards, you can click the plus option button. You can decide which keyboard will be default for the students when they attempt this math equation. You can select text default mode for the regular text keyboard, and you can select the math default mode for the math equation keyboard. Students do have the option to toggle between the 2 keyboards, so you are simply deciding which keyboard they see first. Use the Add a Text Block option to define a list of custom units. This way, students can type in the units without having to switch back to the text keyboard. If you need to add additional text blocks, click the plus option button. Type author notes as needed. Remember, students cannot see the author notes. Align your learning objectives that pertain to this question so that mastery can be determined. Click the Save button.